Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Rafael Figueroa and I'm coming to you tonight with a Four Corners Alliance Group video. And what I'm here to explain tonight is something that makes Four Corners much different than any other program you're going to find out there. And that's the sponsors matching commissions, guys. Sponsors commissions take your earnings to a whole new level as you receive unlimited matching commissions from your directly sponsored member every time they receive a commission from someone in their downline who has either bought one of the products or subscribed to the monthly newsletter. Remember, you are qualified to receive the commission if you already own the product or have an active monthly newsletter subscription. Ladies and gentlemen, 100% matching bonus from anything purchased in the back office underneath you. 100% matching bonus from all members that your team members bring in. 100% matching bonus on the subscription. Guys, it goes on. Four Corners has so many income streams, it is ridiculous. And what I'm actually doing is I'm helping my team right now get to the top. We do team webinars Monday through Thursdays. We do team training random days out the week where I'm just showing you some of my techniques I've learned, my free tools that'll get you started and get you seeing some commissions ASAP. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not in Four Corners and you're looking to join someone who knows what they're doing, then definitely go to my link in the description below or give me a call at 239-362-6591. Everybody have a blessed night.